Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, July the 26th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Windows 10 insiders that are happy campers for not one, but two insider builds that were actually released yesterday. So we had build 17723, that is a fast ring build, and well, we have a skip ahead, the first skip ahead of 19H1, which is the next version of Windows 10. And basically, this is a big surprise. We didn't think that skip ahead would start as soon as now. And of course, if you're still not on skip ahead and wish to do so, I think you need to act fast because it's closing down soon. Well, Google Drive says that, or Google says that in pretty much this week, and maybe they've already reached it, Google Drive will have 1 billion users. And they had talked about getting close to 1 billion, but had not released any official announcements yet. Well, they are now probably already there, if not very, very soon. 1 billion users, pretty amazing for Google Drive. But you know, with all the Google services and the fact that people use Google Chrome, all of the services are easier to kind of manage and you know, see that get there basically using all the Google accounts. Well, rumors are that Intel might start dropping hyperthreading on many of its high-end CPUs, and the reason why, by doing so, it would actually boost clock speed. They've demonstrated 4.7 gigahertz clock speed for some of the high-end processors, and talk about maybe breaking the 5 gigahertz barrier. So this, what will it do? Will it actually have better performance than just doing hyperthreading? That's going to be interesting to see. Well, it seems that according to Qualcomm, because Qualcomm is the company that actually released this information, it seems that the 2018 iPhones will actually be Intel modem exclusive. That means there won't be any, you know, Qualcomm modems in there, and Qualcomm and Apple are kind of, you know, a little bit at war against each other. So I guess maybe that's what Apple prefers, using Intel. Well, Facebook revenue is down, and the social media website stocks plunged more than 20% over the fact that the future doesn't look that good for Facebook. It's actually talking about very slow growth and growth of revenue at the same time. And you know, all the scandals and all the problems with data privacy, I think it's taking a toll on the social media site. Well, of course, Google had announced this week that 85,000 employees were safe using what was a USB, what we call a YubiKey, which is a USB security key. Now it decided, well, we're going to have our own security keys or devices coming soon. That means that they are jumping into the security key production. Well, if you have a Bluetooth device, make sure that you have updated to the latest security of everything, because there's a decade-old flaw that actually has a big problem, that when you pair your Bluetooth device with any other device, hackers can actually manipulate the data, modify it, do pretty much what they want. So it is recommended, if you use Bluetooth a lot, to really make sure that you update your device so that the flaw is corrected, because there is an update for that. And if you don't use Bluetooth or don't use it often, the best thing you can do is to shut off the Bluetooth radio on your device when you don't use it. A series of apps that have shown up over the past few months, all for different devices, iOS, Android, and even extensions for Chrome and Firefox, have been shown to snoop on its users, send tons of data about your web surfing, you know, habits, and all sorts of little private information that we don't really know what they're doing with it, and it's all related to a small company that apparently purchased these apps. I'll have a separate video and I'll actually show you which apps have been targeted, but it targets over 11 million users right now. Well, we all dream of a phone that you can drop as many times as you want that will not shatter. Has Samsung created such a glass? Well, it seems that they have created a glass that is actually a plastic film with a glass overlay that is glued to it that basically doesn't shatter if you drop it. Now, they've actually have it approved by the Underwriters Laboratory, and it survived apparently 26 4-foot drops. So this is kind of interesting. It also can survive 6-foot falls, and well, you know, if that is official, if that is what we get, that would be great to have the possibility of simply having a phone that if you drop it, you won't be scared that it stopped working. And Amazon's face recognition system is rather bad according to some data. They've been testing it out, and it seems that by checking a database of 25,000 mugshots, actually it matched 28 lawmakers, which have nothing to do with the mugshots. So it just shows that it doesn't work very well, and that is actually a very, very problematic thing, because it's kind of scary at the same time. How about if you get matched with, you know, a murderer or whatever, and they take it that, well, it must be you. That's kind of scary. This was the Tech News Update for Thursday, July 26, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.